17-time champion trainer Wayne Acosta and his 6-time champion jockey Omar Walker combined to capture the feature Governor General Stakes and co-feature the Knutsford Park Cup with Perfect Neighbour and Miss Formality respectively on Saturday at Caymanas Park.
Even money favourite Perfect Neighbour returned to winning ways, romping to victory in the 59th running of the Governor General's stake, a graded event going over 10 furlongs.
Back in third against the rail as the field turned for home in the Governor General Stakes, and Perfect Neighbour now points the head in front over Superluminal. Dysfunctional will try to fight back on the rail. Hovercraft has more to find along with Houdini's Magic down the stretch toward the furlong pole. It is Perfect Neighbour with that lead over Superluminal and Dysfunctional running a hell of a race. Perfect Neighbour with that lead inside the final 16th. Dysfunctional now slips down into second.
The former Derby champion won ahead of stablemate Dysfunctional, Superluminal and other stablemate Hovercraft in 2 minutes 7 and 4/5 of a second.
I was saving him for the last half mile because I didn't want to get him too early in the race and him get a little bit tied up the lane. So I just saved the best for last, come with him the last 4 furlong and just you have to ride him to get him gallop all time. So that's what I did today.
Meanwhile, 3-year-old chestnut filly Miss Formality returned to the track after a 5-month layup to capture the co-feature the Knutsford Park Cup going over 6 furlongs.
So Miss Formality will come into the lane out 3 wide. In behind them, that's Crystalano who has progressed, but they're into it now. A quarter of a mile to run. Necromancer attacked by Miss Formality. They're actually rubbing shoulders briefly, and now Miss Formality gets a slim lead. Necromancer continues the battle. In behind them, Crystalano. Apollo Bay in the red silks is racing out wide, but down the stretch toward the final 16th, and it is Miss Formality with the lead. Necromancer, the rider, looks to have lost the stick, overtaken by Apollo Bay, who comes flying late in the Knutsford Park Cup, but too late. Miss Formality beats Apollo Bay.
Miss Formality won in 1 minute 14 ahead of stablemates Apollo Bay and Necromancer.
She got a slow break, and in the half mile, 6 horse cut her down, so she had it all to do after that, but Omar just basically put her against a bit and she started to lay out beautifully, and when she straightened up she took the lead and her momentum just carried her to the post.
The combination of trainer Anthony Nunes and jockey Dick Cardenas also had a double on the program. Racing continues on Wednesday. Reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.